Hello everyone, today we're gluing this dash cap over the old one. The old one is super messed up and this is a simple, fast, cosmetic way to improve the looks. It's not 100% perfect, there's some gaps that won't cover. There's a particular area here, the vents, which we don't want to cover anyways because it's a good vent. But it's a bit short, but it works. From the driver's side, it works fine. So I'm gonna grind the edges here a little more because this vent right here is not able to open. I can't push it all the way, but I'm gonna still grind a little bit so that it goes inside this rubber area here a little better. And when I glue, I'll be able to open the side vent. Right now, loose, I cannot open the side vent. It hits right here. Obviously, it's not meant to be this way. So let me begin the project. Notice the vent still doesn't open. I'm gonna have to remove a little more of the plastic right on that edge. I'm pushing it all the way and still blocking the vent. I'm also going to gently grind the opening here. I'm gonna extend this opening a little more. It fits right in this area here. When using this Dremel tool here, you have to almost use clinical precision here, because if you make a mistake, you easily make a gush on this plastic right here. So I'm gonna remove this plastic piece here that is kind of sticking out, preventing the cover from being flushed right here. This will be a very tight fit right here. So there's not much clearance. I think it's most important just to glue this forward as much as we can and ensure it's not gonna move when the glue is drying. And I'm gonna show you a trick. I'm gonna try this trick and I think it's gonna work. I'm gonna apply pressure right here on both sides actually. And keep this clearance. This is fine, it can still open it, but if he moves back, game over. And then it'll be too late, it's all glued, and anyways, I'll have to buy a new cap. So this is an important stage right here. I bought this wood trimming, it's about 8 feet long, and I'm going to adjust right over here. So when I apply glue up on front there on the dash cap, I'm gonna close this lid and it's gonna keep pressing it against it, and that's what I'm hoping. I'm also gonna apply this in a couple different places. I'm also gonna cut this piece right here. Now note that these caps, they're approximate cosmetic replacements for the dash. Ideally the new dash, which is also available, that would have the more accurate result, more precision. They did a mold the best they can, I can tell, but they're not in the miracle business, they're in the dash cap business, so we have to be flexible in what to expect. On the passenger side, you notice I still need to remove some more plastic on the back of the cap. The vent is not going through. It is opening now. We open the gap. Now we just hope to glue it in the same position here. Notice I had to remove a lot of debris. I had to shave this old dash quite a lot. I took a lot of foam, a lot of the old foam as well. Let's see if it works. This is how I'm going to glue the dash pad. Once I apply the glue, I'm going to use these sticks. And these sticks are going to hold the ends in the exact place so that the vent would open freely. The middle is important, but I'm not so concerned. It's straight enough, and that's about it. The dash pad is not perfect. It doesn't, it's not like the original dash. It's sort of a quick solution here. It does go over the dials here, but it is what it is. On this pad also I had to cut a lot of the excess of the old dash. Notice I cut a lot of the original dash out, trying to even out the surface. Let's hope the glue works. When you buy the dash pad, it comes with this tube of silicone glue here. Let's hope it works. I applied extra glue. I applied this extra strength liquid nails. The glue wasn't enough. Okay, some final tips. Try to find whatever you have to prime and raise a little the dash because you're gonna apply glue over here. So if you can find a way to glue some of it, it'd be great. Some sticks. I should have planned for that, but I improvised. Also, have some gasoline around because you're gonna smudge glue trying to put this dash on, and with gasoline you can remove it just nice. So have some gasoline around. It's gonna help you clean up the extra glue and smudges. Anyways, it won't hurt your dash. If you think gasoline will be too abrasive, you can use those bleach wipes as well, just to get the excess glue, because once it glues, it won't look so nice, you know, with crunchy glue on it. I cleaned with gasoline. Now I'm actually cleaning with bleach wipes. And I'm just gonna wait to dry. This whole project's about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Finally, apply extra glue on the end close to the glass and then clean it. The wipes or gasoline or bleach wipes. Then apply any type of heavy item you can to help push and glue to the original dash beneath. At the end, just look at the comments. I'm gonna put a list of tools and things you need for this job. I hope it helps. Good luck. Hi everyone. This is the final result. The dash is glued on. I used WD-40 to clean any excess glue and it looks nice. I used gasoline this final part as well, which was a mistake. I rubbed it too hard and removed some of the paint. Just use WD-40 to clean and polish the final result. The dash looks good. It's firm. All right. Well, good luck on your project. In comments, I'll leave some of the tools and equipment I used on this project, okay? All right.